Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Reviews India. My name is Vaibhav and today I am excited because we are unboxing something truly next level. After 4 years, I am finally upgrading my trusty old Zebronics Zeb Ultimate Pro webcam to a powerhouse, the OBSbot Tiny Lite. This isn't just any webcam upgrade. We are talking 4K resolution, lightning fast autofocus, AI power tracking, a CMOS sensor and the PTZ capabilities for smooth pan, tilt and zoom. If you are looking for the ultimate streaming and content creation camera, stick around because I can't wait to dive in and show you what OBSbot Tiny 2 Lite can do. So guys, holding this box, feels like a 20,000 rupees note. And these are the details, guys. So this is the whole round view of the box. And let us see from where we can open it up. Can anyone tell me from where to open this box? I think I might have to say Khul Ja Sim Sim. Yeah, it's working, guys. You have to cut this over here and put your finger over here and try to open it. Once this is open, yeah, you can fold this. And this is probably a manual. So the packing is so tight, हिलाएगा तो गिरेगा नहीं. Yes, it is. And a warranty card, Chinese warranty. It's not a Chinese warranty, it's other side is Chinese and other side is in English. Okay, so this is the manual, the book, and that's the OBSbot Center software which you have to download. Stay pro, stay productive. ये जो मैं अभी निकाल रहा हूँ, ये क्या हो सकता है, guys? So what will be this, guys? This will be something which connects to the camera. Can you guess? Okay. So it is coming out and you can see this here, the beautiful, and it's getting opened to USB connectors, right? So these connectors are both end to end. It is the USB Type-C. So Type-C port is there. But we have got an adapter to plug in into the PC. So you can use this adapter to plug into your PC. So thank you OBSbot for giving this adapter. Otherwise I would have bought it from Amazon, which would have cost us another amount. See guys, this is how it is packed, and if you can see the box, it's in which it is packed. It is very what is called very soft kind of box. Okay, so that the camera is a very delicate one. Okay, so during shipping nothing should happen, and the packaging is so good. And this is the camera, guys, and this is the masterpiece. Okay, developed by OBSbot. It has a gimbal, 2-axis gimbal movement, and this is the design, guys. And this is, I was waiting for this camera for around 2 days. I watched all the videos of this webcam, and today it is there in my hand. So I'm happy. Finally, the gimbal based camera. I was always wondering, whom I will get, people to hold the camera when I'm doing any videos. So this is the perfect, solution. Everything is there. Nobody has to hold the camera for you. It shoots. And this is the clip, guys. You can put it on for your any tripod, or you can directly hang it on your PC, meaning on a display top. The clip is very hard, meaning it has to hard, because if it is loose, then your camera might fall from front side of the display. So it's a wonderful camera, guys, and holding this camera is like this is 2.5 inches, guys. It's like my one finger. And in front there are the 2 dots which are there in front are the microphones, omnidirectional 2 microphones, if you can see those 2 dots. Okay, this is very unique design. I like the design, how they have done it. So guys, in the next video we will make a full review of this camera, so stay tuned. So finally, guys, the box view. So this is the total round view of the camera, and finally, guys, the video is coming to the end. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and comment below if you have any doubts or anything to ask to me. Thank you.